and the temperature drops, baby, holding me tight. It's been 3 days since the sun appeared, and every moment without you feels so weird. I used to think the cold was just a number on the glass, but now I feel the chill and the day won't pass. My city is quiet, wearing only gray, but this empty room is colder anyway.
I hear the heavy rain falling down outside, trying to wash away the feeling I can't hide.
They say that darkness finds you, but baby, they don't know you are the one place that I always have to go. Time, how does a fire start in all this cold? This kind of love is something precious made of gold. Every drop of rain is just an excuse to hold you near, washing away the distance, washing away the fear. When your mouth touches mine, the world fades to black. Under the stormy sky, there's no turning back, no turning back from this love. The news said danger, the highway's closed, but the fire in your eyes is what this body knows. This isn't shelter, this is where the music lives. In the quiet promises your body gives. The cold air is just pushing us closer now. Every breath is a secret, a silent vow. Let the thunder crash, let the power fail. Against this feeling nothing can prevail.
The rain falling down outside, trying to wash away the feeling I can't hide.
They say that darkness finds you, but baby, they don't know you are the one place that I always have to go. Oh, time, how does a fire start in all this cold? This kind of love is something precious made of gold. Every drop of rain is just an excuse to hold you near, washing away the distance, washing away the fear. When your mouth touches mine, the world fades to black. Under the stormy sky, there's no turning back, no turning back from this love. No need for sunlight, no blue sky above, 'cause the only warmth I ever need is your love. Every kiss is a heat wave, baby, you melt the cold away. And I pray the storm lasts forever, starting today. Oh, diamond, how does a fire start in all this cold?